Today I have quick and easy DIYs and hacks with Dollar Tree items. Welcome to CJ DIY. I am C. I always like to grab one of these round mirror frames from Dollar Tree and give them a nice makeover. I will be using one of them with this black candle holder, also from Dollar Tree. I'm using the smooth part on this candle holder with adding a tight bond glue for strong hold, and for immediate hold on the edges I'm adding a hot glue, and I will make it into a riser. Now that my riser is created, on top of the mirror, I will add this floral foam round shape, and I will add these peaks on the side until the whole foam is complete and full with all those peaks on the side. Now that I added all the peaks, this is how it looks. Now you can add a candle holder on top of it and you have an amazing, beautiful look for Christmas. But I wanted to add more. Before I add more embellishment, I'm adding some red berries on the side, and also I will be adding this frosted garland on the side on top of the foam, just so I can have like a fuller base, and I will glue it on the side on top of the foam. And now I will add these cute figurines with a boy and a girl playing musical instrument, perfect for Christmas and creating a nice Christmas Eve stage view. On the back, I will add this Santa mailbox. To fill out the foam, I will add some green moss on top of it. I am adding this cute train that I have, ornament. This is in my stash. I think I grabbed it from either Dollar Tree or Walmart last year. I have that ornament since last year. And as you can see, I'm creating like a stage perfect for Christmas Eve, where kids are playing Christmas carols on Christmas Eve, and the city is full of people and everybody is enjoying this moment full of blessings, celebrating Jesus' birth. To make my centerpiece more fuller on the side, I added 2 mini brush trees from Dollar Tree and this peak perfect with the drum. And to complete the look, this Santa gramophone on the side, playing some musical songs as well. Another amazing find at Dollar Tree are those cute lanterns. Look how beautiful they light up. I grabbed 2 of them, but I wanted to give them just a little bit of makeover. I didn't like the ribbon on them, so I removed the peak, I removed the ribbon, and simply I just added a velvet beige tulip ribbon just to make it cohesive with my decor this year. I add the pine cone on top of it, and I will glue them back to my lanterns. I really love how those lanterns look so high-end. They look like they're metallic, but actually those are plastic, but with that distress colors on them, they look just perfect beside my cute centerpiece that I created with those children and the train and the Santa on the back. And you have an amazing high-end boutique gorgeous looks with all those beautiful Dollar Tree pieces and some extra embellishments on top of it that anybody can do, and you have a perfect look for Christmas. More frames from Dollar Tree. If you see those, grab them. You can turn them into an amazing looks. not just as a decor, but as a very inexpensive gift that you can fill out in a Christmas basket with just adding a little touch with those frames. What I will do first is I will cover them with these music sheet notes that I have in my stash. First, I'm using these cute wooden frames. You can paint those frames as you wish, but for now, I decided to leave them as they are, with just adding this music sheet. I'm using these two shape of frames, and after I glue the sheet on the back of the frame, I will add another frame on the back so we can have a complete look on these cute ornaments. So I repeated the same step on my other wood frame as well, and then I will cover my rest of the frames with this music sheet paper. Now that my frames are all covered with this musical sheet, I will add some IOD transfer on each, with removing the music sheet just like that and adding these IOD mini cute whimsical transfers. It's super easy. I'm just using the scraping tool and releasing the header sheet, and we have a perfect look with those transfers. If you don't have transfers like this, you can add some Dollar Tree stickers. You can even add some figurines or some jewels on top. Either way, they all will look cute. And after you add all those embellishments to hang them on a Christmas tree, you can add some velvet ribbon to make them more high-end look. You can package them in a beautiful gift box, perfect for Christmas gift, and voila! For less than couple of minutes, you have an amazing, beautiful look done with lots of love. And today I show you that you don't need to make a lot of effort to create budget-friendly Christmas, and you're saving a lot, and you will create an amazing, unique, beautiful looks that you can use in your decor or use them as a gift idea that everybody will love them. And my darlings, that's it for this quick and easy, super cute short episode. I hope you like all those cute creations. Let me know which one is your favorite. If you like more content like this, don't forget to like, share, hype, and subscribe. I have more beautiful DIYs coming up shortly. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will leave you with this. Yesterday was history, today is the present, tomorrow is a mystery. So live your life to the fullest with God on your side. Stay blessed, my darlings. From me to you. Bye-bye.